Aloha, Rich Alderson here. This is ITS227, and continuing with Chapter 6. In this video, I'm going to do 614, which is exception handling. And so exception handling in JavaScript is just like exception handling in the other languages that you, any other language that you may know. There's exceptions. Use try, catch are the key words. And there's a throw. You can throw exceptions, from software, and they work pretty much the same. Go through here, and it's terminology that might be different. And let's just go right to the challenges down here. JavaScript defines several other error constructors in range. Okay, whatever. Okay, so add a throw statement. Add a throw statement to the process numbers function that throws the message, an element is not a number if one of the elements in number elements is not a number. Hint, use is not a number function, which returns true if the parameter is not a number. All right, so so we've got process numbers, result equals 0, let index, and then inside here we're going to have to let's see. So I think what the answer is, first of all, we've got to test to see if an element is not a number. Okay, so if I think I might only have to do this. If oh, I know what the problem is here. Yeah. Okay, all I need to do is go if is not a number, the particular number elements of index that I'm looking at, if that's not a number, then throw an element, throw this. Copy. Now, okay. All right. I think that's all you got to do. Because you don't have to put curly braces because there's only one statement following the if part. So you don't have to put them in curly braces. If there's more than one statement that you want to be part of that if block, then you got to put curly braces. Otherwise, do that. Let's see, is this right? Good. What's next? Surround the call to process numbers with a try catch. The catch block should assign process value equal. Okay, so we don't know what process numbers is, but we're just going to throw a try here. Try like that, and we're going to do that in there. And if something, and that's the end of the try. And if something something bad happens, we're going to catch that error. And whatever the exception is. And it will be, it'll do this. It'll simply set processed value equals -1. And then we'll close the catch. And I think that's all we have to do. All right, what's next? In this one, we're supposed to add a finally statement that displays this. All right. Finally, print out console log and print out a message that says execution ended, period. print that out and close the finally. Is that it? I guess it is. All right, the last one is throw a range error exception if any two numbers are greater than 75. Throw an error exception if the parameter is less than 4 elements. So the first thing I got to do is if the parameter has less than 4 elements. Okay, so this is what's coming in, and this is must be some sort of array. Yeah, it is. It's an array here. Look at that. It's going through the elements of the array. So the first thing I want to do is I got to test to see if numList, if the length of numList, it's the number of elements in that array, is less than 4, then throw a new error, I guess, which says array has less than 4 elements. That's it, I guess. All right, so that's what happens then. Now, after that, we have the for loop, and we have to have, and there's a range error of number if any of the numbers is greater than 75. So, but check here if num list of index, we're looping through using an index called index, is if any of them is greater than 75, then throw a new range error that says the number is greater than 75. Close the quote. That's the throw statement, and that might be it. All right, well, that takes us through all of the challenge activities for chapter 6, and I'm going to finish the challenge activities for the rest of the chapters, and then I'll come back and I'll do the labs. Okay, so next video will be soon, and it's going to be JavaScript in the browser. So thanks for watching.